Pima County's curfew lifted. We break down a judge's ruling and why the county says it'll try to get the curfew restored. Good evening. Thank you for joining us. I'm Valerie Cavazos.
And I'm Pat Paris. Business owners sued the county saying the curfew unfairly targeted certain industries, namely restaurants and bars.
But as 9 on Your Side's Craig Smith reports, the court battle isn't over.
Bars and restaurants say the 10 p.m. shutdown cuts off most of their income and singles them out over other businesses that get most of their customers before the curfew kicks in. They sued, and Superior Court Judge Kelly Johnson agreed with their argument that when the county imposed that curfew, it overstepped its authority under state law. The conservative Goldwater Institute joined the lawsuit on behalf of the businesses.
The county does have authority to impose curfews in certain emergency situations, but Arizona law only allows counties to impose emergency curfews to prevent violence or breaches of the peace, and it doesn't allow curfews in the case of a pandemic.
Businesses said they were living up to other county requirements like distancing, but the county's chief medical officer says supervisors imposed the curfew because people were not being careful.
We know that based on the surveillance that our county inspection team did, that bars that were operating after 10 o'clock, that there was a substantial amount of non-compliance with the kinds of measures that we've recommended all along.
Pima Supervisors Chair Sharon Bronson says the county will appeal and hopes people will curfew themselves in the meantime. She says the county has the right to impose a curfew in the face of so many infections. She said in part, quote, "The resolution passed by the board stated the curfew would be lifted when the COVID-19 infection rate in the county fell below what is considered substantial spread of the disease, or 100 cases per 100,000 people. The current infection rate is 10 times that, at 1,000 cases per 100,000, and county hospitals remain full, their resources and staff strained to the limit." Craig Smith, KGUN 9 on your side.